Yeah, man. Power Rastafari. That's
And then I front
Rastafari.
me sit down get like that, you know.
Yeah, that's Rastafari.
Yes, I watch the man Rastafari,
Yeah.
great, you know.
Witness enough time to.
Yeah, man. Watch you know. Listen, me live up in the hills with my king, man. And we have a go up picnic because me live with the next daughter like she. With the next daughter, with the one king. And produce picnic. Yes, I mean, rocked up and all of them picnic. All of them. Enoch and Peter and Rafa. All of them. Two mother bring them. But you don't know who bring them. But and we have to say that I want to have me and that. That's true.
True, man.
So we just live. And we see that the king then a Rasta. We don't know water, mama. And we have to go far on our river. You don't get water. And we live way up on top of the hill. And I see King just draw the kettle, you know, and start chanting up. And the sun hot, you know. And I see one black cloud just black up so. And rain falling. You know.
Full up, full up.
And we catch one rim of water just enough to be the pit them and come some food.
Oh, if I ever that.
Oh, no more.
You know, I don't know once they beat and they get food.
You understand?
Rastafari,
So
man.
Rastafari is a natural living, my brother. You understand me? No put on, just a natural liberty, clean and the most side. Open up. So you live clean, you open up.
Open up doors, you know,
Open up.
you need
Open up.
You need to think of.
You know, because we are the fruit of his part, the pasture, you know. We are his handmaid. He said, think it not rabbit to be equal. Yeah? You understand? Yeah, man. So that's why I can't tell her to me 100 and because, yes, we live night and day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we not no slave.
Make all that sense.
We not slave.
Describe the significance herb and Rastafari have together, or the significance of herb to Rastafari. I mean, I just talk just me, just herbs on a,
You know, totally overall.
Yeah.
Because herb is a healing of the nation. Not only for smoke. You understand me? Because you can eat the herb, but even you can choose to smoke if you want. So herb overall, a healing of the nation. You have the jack in the bush, the chicken, the bitter wood, the rice bitters. All of them be there. You have Bible,
all that there.
you know, leaf of life.
Leaf of life.
You know, but you have herbs for the head, herbs for the chest, herbs for the belly.
He said firm we are
So
pass
you
a
have
dog and watching at the firm gully.
Yeah.